Morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is May 26, 2017. We've got some showers and thunderstorms racing across Missouri this morning. A weak upper level system triggered these over Kansas, and they continue to spread towards the east. We'll have to see how long they survive. It could be that they die out here over the next couple of hours. But so far, they are holding together, and we do see them entering parts of southeast Missouri. Butler County might be getting into some action here shortly. Maybe St. Francis, St. Genevieve. We'll watch those continue to move eastward during the morning. Can't rule out some showers and storms today. Atmosphere later today might become more unstable, and if these storms die out, leave some boundaries. Those boundaries where storms die could help spark a few more storms this afternoon. If thunderstorms were to form today, later today, this afternoon and evening, they could be quite intense with some hail and high winds. It's a little bit iffy as whether storms will redevelop this afternoon, but keep that in mind if you're out and about. Maybe after 2 o'clock, 20-30% chance for additional storms forming. And again, they could be intense. We do have some gusty winds today for the lakes and rivers, gusting probably above 20-25 miles per hour. So if you're out and about on the lakes and rivers, use a little bit of caution. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather outlook. Here we are at today's severe weather outlook. Now I'm always a little apprehensive to show you these maps because the Storm Prediction Center, they change them so frequently. But for now, they have us in a sub-severe weather risk. This is just general thunderstorms. The dark green represents an area where maybe a couple of storms might become severe, a marginal risk. And then a slight risk back here, that's a level 3 out of 5. Again, the Storm Prediction Center, they change these around so often, but you get the general idea we may have some thunderstorms today. More importantly for all of us is what is forecast to happen tomorrow. And that's when we're in a greater risk for severe weather. Now, currently, the Storm Prediction Center, they haven't changed this too much over the last 2 days. This dark orange area is a level 3 out of 5 risk. That's called an enhanced risk. And that's for large hail, golf ball size to baseball size, 65 to 70 plus mile per hour winds, and maybe even some tornadoes. The greatest threat on Saturday, probably going to hold off until Saturday evening, late Saturday afternoon into evening, into the overnight hours. That's when, for now it appears, a line of thunderstorms, a squall line will form, possibly bowing out as it moves east-southeast at 50 to 60 miles per hour, races across the area. If we do get that line of thunderstorms and it bows out, that would mean damaging winds, maybe some hail, and then those QLCS quick spin-up tornadoes. Any supercells that form, if we get supercells ahead of that line, very large hail possible, winds greater than 70 miles per hour, and even some tornadoes. We never really know until the morning of the afternoon of an event. We have to see what happens tonight. Do we have a thunderstorm cluster form over Illinois and Indiana and then move southward, perhaps leaving clouds and boundaries over our area tomorrow, maybe keeping the Cape levels, energy levels down a little bit because of clouds? Do we not have that happen? And that is a possibility. The models are all over the place. There is a upper level disturbance that moves through our northeastern counties tonight, and that could spark some showers and thunderstorms. They would be intense if they develop. No promises on them developing. Very difficult forecast for Saturday afternoon and night. If you're out camping, if you have outdoor activities Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, please have several ways to receive your severe weather information. Don't forget to sign up for the text messages at bodotsonweather.com. Remember, on social media and elsewhere, the text messages take priority. That's my first job to do, is send those text messages out. Facebook and everything else comes second. Keep this in mind tomorrow. We may have some severe thunderstorms. And then as we move into Sunday, it now looks like the front may be a little bit slower than anticipated. So we have another risk for severe thunderstorms late Sunday morning into the afternoon hours. Now, this might need adjusting. Let's see how fast the front moves through. Let's see what happens Saturday night. But for now, the Storm Prediction Center has placed all of us in another risk for Sunday, late morning, afternoon hours for the cold front moving through, with possibly some damaging winds and hail with that as well. We'll have to watch the tornado potential. The bottom line for the next 3 or 4 days, today and tonight, Friday night, maybe some thunderstorms scattered around. Any storms that form could be intense. And then Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, we'll watch for a band of severe thunderstorms develop to our west, sweep eastward. And then Sunday afternoon, perhaps another band of thunderstorms forming on the cold front. Monday, Memorial Day, for now, Monday looks dry with temperatures in the 70s, maybe 80 degrees. Let's take a look at the new GO-16 satellite this morning. What we're looking at here are thunderstorms. These bright reds, those are thunderstorm tops, cold temperatures, cirrus clouds, perhaps the canopy from the thunderstorm blowing off with the winds. That indicates a cumulonimbus cloud or a thunderstorm. Here we are, southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, west Kentucky, and northwest Tennessee. So let's keep an eye on this as we put it in motion, and you can see that band of storms, as we noted on radar a while ago, continues to move eastward, and you can see the clouds starting to warm. We're starting to lose those reds. What does that mean? It means the storms are weakening. But as those were weakening, watch down here across southern Missouri, we start to see a couple of storms intensify, and I did show you that on radar a while ago. So we do have some more storms developing. Clouds today, mix of sun and clouds. Some of you have mostly sunny this morning, but with all of this moving eastward, that will be with us. Some cloud debris today, high clouds, and even possibly some redevelopment of showers and storms this afternoon. As I mentioned, we'll keep an eye on that.